Somewhere out there is a version of summer style that does not involve sweating through stiff fabric or squeezing into something that looks good for exactly one photo, and then makes you miserable for the next 6 hours. Hey friend, welcome back to Fabulous After 50. This channel is all about real style for real life. No uncomfortable trends. No pieces that only work on a mannequin. If you want more real, wearable style tips, hit subscribe so you never miss one. Let's get into it. 1. The linen set that moves with you. Let's start with the outfit that solves 90% of your summer dressing dilemmas in one purchase. A matching linen set. Not the stiff, structured kind that wrinkles the second you sit down, but a soft, pre-washed linen or a linen cotton blend that has already been broken in. Pair a relaxed button-front linen shirt with matching wide-leg linen pants in a soft sage, warm sand, or dusty blue. The reason this works so beautifully is airflow. Linen breathes in a way that synthetic blends simply cannot, so you stay genuinely cool even when the temperature climbs. The wide-leg pant schemes rather than clings, which means no fabric sticking to your skin on a humid afternoon. Leave the shirt slightly open over a simple tank underneath, roll the sleeves to the elbow, and slide into a flat leather sandal. For instant polish without any extra effort, add a pair of oversized sunglasses and a woven straw tote. This outfit works for a farmer's market morning, a lunch with friends, or even a casual outdoor wedding if you add a statement earring. The real beauty of a matching set is that it removes decision fatigue entirely. You are not pairing two separate pieces and hoping they work. The outfit is already solved for you, and it still reads as put together rather than lazy. 2. The midi skirt and breathable tee combination. A midi skirt gets a bad reputation for being formal or fussy, but the right one is actually one of the most comfortable things you can wear in summer heat. Look for a skirt in a lightweight tiered cotton or a flowy crinkle fabric, something with movement rather than structure. Pair it with a soft, breathable t-shirt, ideally in a lightweight cotton modal blend that will not cling in the heat. The trick to making this combination feel elevated rather than sleepy is proportion. If your skirt has volume, keep your top simple and closer to the body, so the silhouette does not overwhelm your frame. A soft neutral tee against a printed or colorful skirt lets the skirt be the star while keeping the whole outfit breathable and easy. Footwear makes or breaks this look. Skip anything stiff or restrictive and reach for a comfortable slide sandal or a soft leather mule. Add a lightweight crossbody bag so your hands stay free, and a pair of simple gold hoops. This outfit is ideal for an afternoon of walking around outside, because the airflow around your legs keeps you cooler than pants ever could, while the skirt's movement gives the whole look a graceful, feminine quality that never feels like effort. 3. The elevated jean shorts outfit. Denim shorts intimidate a lot of women over 50, and I understand why. The wrong pair can feel exposing or simply uncomfortable in the heat. But the right pair, a slightly longer inseam that hits just above the knee, made from a soft stretch-infused denim, is actually one of the most comfortable options for a hot day, because your legs get full airflow without any fabric bunching or trapping heat. The key to making shorts feel elevated, rather than overly casual, is what you pair them with. Choose a flowy, lightweight blouse in a soft fabric like rayon or a cotton voile, something with just enough structure that it does not look like a beach cover-up. Let it hang loose rather than fitted, which keeps you cool and adds a beautiful contrast against the more fitted denim. Add a pair of comfortable espadrille wedges or a simple leather sandal, and layer on a delicate long necklace to draw the eye downward and add a touch of polish. This combination works beautifully for casual daytime plans, a boat trip, an outdoor lunch, or simply running errands on a scorching afternoon. The blouse does the elevating, the shorts do the cooling, and together they create an outfit that feels both relaxed and completely intentional. 4. The sleeveless jumpsuit for effortless mornings. If you want one single piece that solves your whole outfit in the time it takes to get dressed, a sleeveless jumpsuit in a lightweight fabric is your answer. Look for a wide leg cut in linen, cotton poplin, or a breathable rayon blend, in a solid color like terracotta, olive, or navy. The wide leg is essential here, not just for comfort, but because it creates airflow similar to a skirt, while still giving you the ease of a single garment. The reason a jumpsuit feels so comfortable in summer is that there is no waistband digging in, and no layering of separate pieces trapping heat against your skin. It moves as one piece with your body. To keep your arms cool, choose a sleeveless or cap sleeve style. And if you want a bit more coverage for sun protection, simply add a lightweight open kimono or a linen button-down worn loose over the top. Style it with a pair of flat sandals for daytime ease, or swap in a low-block heel for evening. A simple woven belt at the natural waist adds shape without sacrificing any comfort. This is the outfit to reach for on mornings when you want to look completely finished without spending more than 2 minutes deciding what to wear. Because a jumpsuit genuinely is the closest thing to getting dressed on autopilot while still looking wonderful. 5. The breathable button-down and bike short pairing. This combination might surprise you, but it has quietly become one of the most comfortable and most stylish summer options available, especially for warmer, more humid climates. Pair a long, oversized button-down shirt, ideally in a lightweight cotton or linen, with a pair of matte bike shorts underneath. The shirt provides coverage and structure, while the bike short underneath means you get total freedom of movement without any chafing or fabric riding up, which is a real problem with looser shorts or skirts in hot, humid weather. Leave several buttons open at the top and either let the shirt hang loose for a relaxed silhouette. The length of the shirt should hit somewhere between mid-thigh and just above the knee, giving you full coverage while still showing a bit of leg. This pairing is remarkably breathable because the button-down is airy and open, while the compression short underneath is thin, moisture-wicking, and designed specifically for movement. Finish the look with a clean white sneaker or a sporty sandal, and keep accessories minimal, a simple pendant necklace and a crossbody bag. This outfit is perfect for an active summer day, walking, traveling, or running around the city, because it looks completely intentional while giving you the kind of ease you would normally only get from actual athletic wear. 6. The cotton poplin shirt dress. A shirt dress in a lightweight cotton poplin might be the single most versatile piece you can own for summer, and it solves the comfort question instantly because it is essentially a breathable, single-layer garment with no restrictive waistband or layering required. Look for one with a relaxed, non-fitted cut through the body, a collar and a button front, in a soft solid color or a subtle stripe. Because the fabric is lightweight cotton, it breathes beautifully even on the hottest days. And because the silhouette is loose rather than fitted, there is no fabric clinging uncomfortably to your skin. Leave it completely open for a natural, relaxed drape, or add a lightweight fabric belt at the waist if you want a touch more shape for a specific occasion. The real magic of this piece is how many different ways you can wear it. Add flat sandals and a straw hat for a daytime look, swap in a pair of low-heeled mules and delicate gold jewelry for something a touch more elevated in the evening, or throw it open over a swimsuit for an effortless cover-up at the pool or beach. One dress, several completely different outfits, all built around genuine breathable comfort. 7. The wide-leg cropped pant and fitted tank. For the days when you want something polished but still want to feel like you can move freely and stay cool, a wide-leg cropped pant paired with a simple fitted tank is one of the most underrated summer combinations available. Look for a cropped pant that hits right at the ankle bone, in a lightweight cotton or linen blend, with enough width through the leg that air can circulate freely. Pair it with a fitted tank in a soft, breathable fabric, ideally in a color that contrasts gently with the pant, a cream tank with a navy pant, or a soft blush tank with an olive pant. The fitted top balances the volume of the wide leg beautifully, creating a silhouette that feels intentional rather than shapeless, while the cropped length keeps your ankles visible, which instantly makes the whole outfit feel lighter and more summery. Layer on a lightweight open cardigan or a linen vest for air-conditioned restaurants or breezy evenings, and finish with a low wedge or a simple flat sandal. Add one statement piece of jewelry, a chunky bracelet or a pair of bold earrings, to give the simple color palette a bit of personality. This outfit proves that clean, minimal styling can still feel completely finished, and it remains cool and breathable from morning coffee straight through to a summer evening out. Which of these outfits are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear which one speaks to you. And if this helped you rethink your summer wardrobe, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use it too. Stay fabulous!